Dia good, agus fáilte arash. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about cycling. The Irish for cycling is ruthíocht, ruthíocht, and ruther is a bike, ruther. Ruthí is a cyclist, ruthí, and clog is a bell, clog, a bell. Lá even atá ann don ruthíocht. It's a glorious day for cycling. Lá even atá ann don ruthíocht. Tá mé anseo an Bealach Glas I Portláirge. I'm here on the Greenway in Waterford. Tá mé anseo an Bealach Glas I Portláirge. Tá Raircanna Gaeilge anseo. The scenery is lovely here. Tá Raircanna Gaeilge anseo. Is maith liom bheith ag ruthíocht. I like cycling, or I like to go cycling. Is maith liom bheith ag ruthíocht. Tá an ruthíocht go maith dit. Cycling is good for you. Tá an ruthíocht go maith dit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section about some of your favourite hobbies in Irish. Cearcalor, sin é, feicigh mé a ríisiú, agus inis, tá mé ag imeacht a ríis. I'm off again.